To import a CAD file, so click on the Explore Endless Designs. So here we get the interface like this. So here import CAD file. So go to the AutoCAD file. So open. This is how the plan get extruded, including the walls, doors and windows. So for 2D view, you can go to the left corner 2D. So for 3D views, the same 3D left corner. You can also off the display like image, the CAD plan, you can also off or on it. So we can also hide the walls if needed, the outer walls, or also we can off it while designing. We can change the we can change the door material, or we can also change the door model if needed, similarly to the windows as well. Thank you.